So I'm wearing here the Sculpt LED belt. It has 1260 LEDs and 3 different wavelengths, 1 red and 2 near infrared. The 3 wavelengths are 630, 850, and 940 nanometers. The Sculpt Belt is FDA 510K cleared for skin tightening, body contouring, and muscle relaxation. Okay, so how you would use this belt is super easy. It has a very clean Velcro situation where you can tighten it to whatever your waistline is, and you can just attach it here, make it a little looser, and just wrap it all the way around. Right here is a remote where you can turn on and off the panel. You hear that quick beep, just means that it's off. You can click it again, long press, and it turns right back on. There are custom settings that you can put level 3, 2, 1, and then the length of the treatment time, which is 10, 20, and 30, and they can just be adjusted here. The levels just indicate the brightness and intensity level of the panel, and there are certain treatment times. It starts out with level 3 at 10 minutes for the most intensive and quickest treatment. So there's a couple of ways to use the Sculpt LED belt. With its shape, you can really use it in a lot of different ways. Like if you're having some back pain, you can put it over your shoulder and wrap it all the way around, and you can even connect it here and still be able to walk around and use it. You can also wrap it around your leg if you are having some joint pain on your knee, which is very common, or if you have muscle pain from maybe working out or anything like that. So my favorite way to use it is obviously in the front for contouring, but also I have lower back pain, and this is kind of perfect. You can just spin it around to your back and it works great. So the Sculpt LED belt comes with a plug that goes directly into the wall. Because this is a high powered device, it needs a lot of power. If you want to move around and use the Sculpt belt, you can buy the separately purchased battery pack that is specialized to use with this belt specifically, and it just plugs right in at the top, and the pocket is right here for ease of use.